Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Flip 6 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application where we must look for our accessibility selection, which is right there. In it we tap on our vision. And now we scroll down and look for magnification selection. In it we must turn on first function, choose option how to activate our magnification we want, maybe tap accessibility button, confirm by OK, and we have our accessibility button. To open our magnification, tap on it and we open it. You can change position of your magnification using two fingers and swiping with it on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out. But when you use only one finger, you can only go up and down. To turn off it, tap on your shortcut again, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!